have just a few days now, few shopping days left before Christmas. Chantel Batista traveled all around the Tri-Cities to talk to some of those last-minute shoppers and retailers. She joins us live now from Johnson City. Chantel, tell us, were those checkout lines long today?
Jordan, I've been told some of these lines are up to 10 minutes long, but that of course depends on which stores you go into this evening. As you can tell from out here in the parking lot outside of the mall at Johnson City, there are plenty of shoppers inside as we begin our countdown to Christmas. With just 3 days left until Christmas, people in the Tri-Cities region are scrambling to purchase their last-minute gifts.
I am never done with my Christmas shopping. I'll probably buy something up until Christmas Eve.
Aside from the crowds and long lines, shoppers say another thing they struggle with as they rush to the stores.
Not being able to find what you actually were looking for, because everything's already been shopped over.
The mall at Johnson City is operating under extended hours this weekend, and some stores have even hired additional seasonal employees to lend a hand.
We hired about 75 people here at this location, and we received a lot of merchandise just in the last few days to prepare for the last-minute rush.
In historic Jonesboro, local retailers have stocked up for the Christmas rush as well.
There's been an increase in sales. We tried to stock more items. We stocked some Christmas items that we didn't previously carry.
And at the Pinnacle in Bristol, we found police officers directing traffic. And last-minute Christmas shoppers claimed the lines inside of stores weren't that bad, but the traffic in and around the stores, bumper to bumper.
I think they should put in another traffic light coming off of 81.
I went through in the couple stores, and it's been real quick. Not been real long at all. The line is the traffic.
Despite the headache to get it all done, and soon, many were still in the holiday spirit.
It is great. We get to, buy things for people that we care about and take care of everybody, and we're grateful for that.
The mall at Johnson City will close tonight at 10 p.m. with few select department stores staying open after that. Tomorrow's stores will also be open and hours will be limited during Christmas Eve. Reporting live in Johnson City, Chantel Batista, News Channel 11 in your corner.